Hey guys, excavation of the foundation for the security house is going on. We have started it today. What is going on here is we want to erect a small security house very close to the gate. The excavation of the foundation for the security house is going on now. Ab initio, when we started this journey, we told you we want to do a perimeter fence with a security house. The essence of the security house for us to be able to see where we are going to pack our materials, so that our materials will be safe and very close to the site, like our cement, our plank, and some of our barrows, our shovel, our headpan. Some of these items are very far from the site, which constitutes a very disturbance whenever we are going out to bring them into the site. As soon as we erect this security house, we'll be using it to pack all our working materials. Whenever we close for the work each day, we'll pack it there and lock it up to safeguard those our cement and other tools. You can see the excavation of the foundation is going on. As soon as the excavation is completed, we are going to cast the concrete on the floor of this security house. Then we'll form a basket using a steel at the end of the edges. We'll be able to start erecting the blocks. Before the block work, form work will continue. You can see. Say, Oga, good day, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. Will you like to be on the camera? Just 2 minutes. Let me get 1 or 2 information from you. Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon.
How's work going?
Fine.
What's your name?
Idika.
Idika. I can see you are doing excavation work at the security house.
Yeah.
So far, so good. How has the work going?
No, the work is going fine.
Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. So what is your target for today?
My target to dig finish and cast the foundation.
Foundation.
So that tomorrow we'll put block.
Okay, for the security house.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any challenge so far working on this site since you started here?
No, no challenge.
What are your particular area you are very good?
Laying block.
Laying of block.
Yes.
That's one. And digging of this foundation.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. We are here to showcase your opportunity to the world, to the global world.
Okay.
You know, in a time like this is a video going on. As I'm doing this video now, the whole world are seeing it. As soon as I completed this video, I will put it on a YouTube channel. Everywhere in the whole world, so people will be watching you, because it's good, whatever you are doing, to let everybody know what you are doing. Because our governor, like Professor Chukwuma Soludo, he is the governor of Anambra State. Ọ ga-asị gị onye ọbụla kwuo ife ọ na-alụ, onye ọbụla nwee ife ọ na-alụ ka ejiri ife a wee malụ gị. You understand? Yeah. So jisike n'ọlụ.
Okay, thank you.
What's the name again?
Idika.
Idika Nwalo. Would you like people to have your phone number on the air?
091.
Yes.
62.
Yes.
10. 90.
Yes.
78.
Okay. Call it again, sir.
091.
091.
62.
62.
10.
10.
90.
90.
78.
78.
Yes.
Good.
Safe corn now, normal safe corn.
Yes, is the carpenter. The man that around them,
We get the time when they call
the
him.
youth, they do the class. Yes, sir. From far. My way there, yeah. Amos, well done job. Arewa debut him. Oh, you can remember my brother. From far. Men at work. Can see everything is going well. This is the security house. Everything is going well. The security house. You can see men at work. This is the perimeter fence. This is the chair. Carpenter. He did a very good job today. You can see. Very good his handwork. We talk am. Keep quiet there.
Okay. That's the one bring that beer back. Wait.
This is the security house. This is the high foundation.
Give me some, make sure you go keep her here. Give me some, make her put her for sale. No see my guy, be my boy.
In a security house, it's no obere. Yeah, small but mighty. They use bones of. Casting where we there now. Casting of the tenants. The fence is well shined, well reinforced with steel bars. Emos, Emos. That's all.
Make you vomit and make you vomit the beer.